Do you know about this image? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, so in smoke you can see a path of a light, right? It was first discovered by John Tyndall. Yes, John Tyndall. So it is not innovated, it is discovered, right? So that's why we call it as a Tyndall effect. How light behaves in a different mixture? See, air is a one type of mixture. Do you know which mixture? Mixture of gases. Nitrogen, oxygen, one by one. Carbon dioxide,
सबसे ज्यादा 78%
nitrogen. In that mixture, there is some particles of sand also.
solid
Dust particles, so solid particles, right? Let's consider my right hand as a solid particle, and when they come in between the path of the light, they scatter the light. They scatter the light. So that is the Tyndall effect. Okay. There are three types of solution: true solution, colloidal solution, and suspension solution. So we will see each of them one by one. Okay. So let's start with the true solution. If you know about NaCl, it will mix salt, sodium chloride. It will mix very nicely. Let's see. इसको थोड़ी देर रहने देते हैं. Now see. If it is a true solution, then the part should not be visible. Tyndall effect वहाँ पे दिखना नहीं चाहिए, right? It's not glowing. It's not glowing. See. Now it's not visible.
so beta it is just on the surface of the bottle and from there it is spreading that side beta
I have one more solution, one more thing, milk of magnesia. And now milk of magnesia will create a magnesium hydroxide. It should create a which type of solution? What do you think? Suspension, okay. Colloid, okay. Okay.
exactly એવું સિરપ છે જો white color
This is the milk of magnesia solution. Okay. Let's see. Can we see the path of the light or yes or no? And you can see through the solution. You can see the path of the light, right? So this is our colloidal solution. You can easily see the path. It is the Tyndall effect. See. You might have seen this as a trend also. The turmeric powder trend, right? So now I have a glass of water, a flashlight. Okay, I will put it on the flashlight.
so beta slowly the particles are getting diffused okay so you will be able to see that the particles gets diffused
And it scatters the light from bottom only. So it's scattering. It's one type of scattering also. All the particle you can see they are suspended in the solution. That's why we call it as a suspension solution. All the see वो mix नहीं हो रहे. They are not getting mixed. You can see each and every particle very neatly, ना?